Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about access control system in an electrical. So let's say this is a wall. So let's say this is a wall and we have one door like this. Okay. Let's straighten. I enter arc. Okay. So in the access control system, there is some device. Mainly, it will be there some devices. The first device is the card reader or any reader. By it can be card reader or biometric reader or any type of reader you can, which is you can access to the room which using. So if you see in some Hollywood movie, you will see some reader through eye reader, some biometric readers. So some you have this fingerprint. So some we have card, some we have vehicle access. So if you see, there will be a sensor in the vehicle, then when the vehicle entering to the particular garage or parking set, it will sense the car. If it is car is already programmed in the panel, the door will open, garage door or the barrier, everything. So the main thing is reader, access reader, card access control. The second is the push button. If it is a room, there will be a push button. The third will be break glass. In case of emergency, you just break the glass, so the door will be open. The fourth, the magnetic lock. So here I am showing you the door. So let's consider this a room. Let's put a box. REC. So this is a room. Any room, security room or server room, anything you can see, which is protected by access control system. So let's change the color. So we will go to the red color. So there will be a reader. So if it is door is opening this way, the reader will be here. So this one, let's say card reader or any biometric reader. So let's make a text. So I will type reader, or let's go for the CR. Okay, let's make it small. So, okay, so this is a card reader. So if you go to the Google, card reader access control, it's look like this. Let's go to the image, something like this. So there is another reader, biometric. I hope I typed correctly. Okay, this is biometric reader. So these also, I think, the type of reader. There is a face reader, too many readers area. So this one, something like that. As per the project requirement, it will be like this. So there will be a push button. So let's go another one. Let's put it here. Let's say push button. PB. So this push button and card reader will be same height, like switch height 1 to 50, something like that. So beside push button there will be a break glass. So we will go with the BG break glass. So let's go to the Google. You see push button. Yes. So it will be open. So something like this. Okay. Then the break glass. Something like this. Okay. So there will be a card reader or any biometric data, any type of reader, push button, break glass, and there will be a magnetic door lock. So one lock will be here, and one lock will be in the above the door. Okay, it will lock. So how it will work? So there will be a access control panel will be somewhere here. Not inside the room, mainly in the security room, but here I will mention the access control system. So for the learning purpose, so let's put ACCESS CTRLP. Okay, something happened. CTR and yeah, we'll put LP control panel. So in this access control panel, let's see, CTRL is enough. In the access control panel, the specialized will do the programming everything. So everything, every system have specialized. Even you go for the telephone data system or access control panel system, fire alarm system, BMS system. This one everything have specialized programs. This is separate section. So what we are going to learn in the AutoCAD electrical, we will just mention the device and the conduiting and the wiring. The rest depend on the specialized system. So to do this one, we need to instruct the programmer where is the system is there, what should happen in case of fire, everything. This is as a electrical engineer or electrical draftsman work. Even the electrical engineer, he cannot learn everything, he cannot do everything. So there's a particular electrical engineer who make everything wiring, conduiting and specialize everything, system everything, and they will go for the programmer, electrical programmer. This is separate. If you see in the field, even they have finished two-person studying together in same college, and they both are having same electrical degree. The one guy went to the HV section and then one guy go to the LV section. So the HV section guy, he will never know the work of LV section guy. In the same time, LV section guy, he will never know what HV guy is doing. So this is totally separate sector. Even they have same degree. We was having one engineer, is an electrical engineer, very experienced. He travel over all the world, all over the world for his work, but he don't know how to install one simple 13 ampere socket. When we asked him, you are an electrical engineer, why you don't know this one? He told me, I didn't work on that one, so I don't know. Very simple questions, very simple answer. Even sometimes some electrical engineers, they don't know what electrician do also. So it's depend on the field. Same this one, the programming, not related to all engineers. So the specialized guy will do the subject. So here we have in access control, card reader, push button, brake glass, access control panel. So here we will put DR for the legend purpose or DL, door lock. And also there will be a junction box here. In the junction box there will be a reader. Uh, there's two type of reader, dual reader, single reader. It's depend on the specialized supplier. So we will put JB junction box. So what happened? This everything will be connected to here. Poly line. So let's go with the wire. Very simple. So let's go this one. Let's go with this one. And this one. So I will go with the DL. So access control panel will have connection from here. So let's say we have another room. There will be no another control panel, only one. So let's click this one, control click. So you can select only one line. So you can move this one to here. So how much you want you can connect. Okay. So what happened? There will be spare outlet here near to the junction box for the power. It's depend. Sometimes they don't need. So you have to check the specialized people. So I will put it this one copy. Let's put SB. SP spare out. SP. Let's put PS power supply. Okay. So this one will connect to the DB separately. So here we have one, and this one we need one for the panel power supply. Okay. Sometimes the power can come from here. So the wire can be 2 by 1.5 mm 2, or sometimes it will come with the Cat 6, and then power supply is already here, Cat 6 only. So if it is 2 by 1.5, then signal and then power together. Same like fire alarm. Okay. It's a depend how system work. But as an electrical draftsman or electrical engineer, you are working as electrical. These things is very important. You have to provide the junction box and BG, brake glass, and PB, push button, card reader, and door lock. Because when you are making a slab, you need to put provision for the conduit for this item. If you don't know what are the items will come in the for the access control, you cannot make your construction work in easy way. So these are the item will come in the access control functions. Very easy. So door lock always come above the door, junction box above the ceiling, brake glass push button CR 100 250 in mm. This one it's near to the junction box, and the panel 1.8 or 2.2 top of panel, and then power supply unit near to the panel. So very easy. So you will put this text always 25 mm dia PVC conduit embedded in slab. So these are the item will normally come. So what about the gate barrier? So gate barrier very easy. So I will draw the section. So there will be a barrier like this, and there will be a pole like that. So this pole have motorized system, and there will be a connection, same access control. Let's make this one. So you will provide this, and you will check with the specialized people how many conduit they need. So better if you don't know anything, better to put 2 3 conduit or 2 conduit. So the in my as per my previous project experience, there will be a sensor below. So let's say this is car barrier, the car barrier like this. Let's say the sensor, the pole like this. The sensor will be below here, somewhere here, or somewhere here. So this is the call sensor. This is one kind of system. It can be differ. So let's make different color. So when the car enter in certain distance, let's make little here. So when the car, let's move this one, move this side. When the car enter some this type of the about to this area, this sensor will sense if there is any particular sensing item available in the car, and this will be open as per that. So this one needs separate conduit, and this one needs separate conduit. So they already have the card, it will sense and then give signal to the control panel. From the control panel will give the signal to open in certain time period. So maybe the distance when the sensing disconnected, it can be closed when the say so this depend on the programming. So how if you go to the Google, we call gate barrier access control system. We will keep like that, gate barrier. Barrier gate access control system. Okay. So these are the systems. So this is the what I am talking about. Okay, you see sensor, you see some line here, these are the sensor. Sometime it is buried directly, you cannot see, so you can check in the Google like turnstile, and yeah, the turnstile and this type. You see this one in the where in the railway station, metro station, and these types all work in the same way. So if you check, if you dig in the Google, you will see more items. It's not very hard like fire alarm or something. It's very easy. Just understand the concept. Anyhow, and some in the access control, you need to provide another thing in same as power supply unit. You have to provide one telephone data also, and it will connect to the internet. So it will work sometime with the BMS, sometime with the any BMS meaning building management system, or it will work with the internet also. For some reason, anyhow, you have to provide one CAT data outlet which is connected with the access control panel. So how these are working? All if you go inside the access control panel system, all I is working with the low voltage and relays, most of them relays. But the concept is like this. Concept is like this, and you have to provide these items and conduit everything, and the barrier will work like this. And there is another one called it will pop up from the ground, also works same concept, and but I forget the name. But whatever access control system, whatever system it will work, same concept. So let's check this one. So you see something like this. I think this is the sensor. See this one. These are the sensor, I think. So if you note some good pictures with the detailed drawing or catalog, and you will know, you can see this system how it will work, and as per that one you have to provide the drawings. Anyhow, there is another thing, main thing, the fire alarm. So you have to provide one control relay, So what will happen in case of fire? This will give command to this access control will open all the door, gate barrier, everything to escape from the fire. I hope you understand and very well the access control system. It's not very hard, just draw the drawing correctly and same this way, and just provide installation detail how it is dropping. It's also not a difficult thing. Let's say this is a wall. Same, if you don't understand, you can check my power installation, wiring device installation detail. Same thing, there will be a back box. Okay, I'll go with a different color, and then conduit. It will come and run in the slab. Let's say this is slab. Actually, it will become somewhere here. So it will go to the slab, and then adapter, faceplate, everything. You can check. I don't want to repeat. You can check. Go to the wiring device installation detail. Same concept. Okay. So until we will meet in the next video, if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe, and we will meet. We can learn together. We will meet in next video. Take care. Bye.